Mideng tabiri ba punamak po Manipuri Fact YouTube channel gi mai kairi gi taram na okchari. Ngasi aina mayam nge phone pudun lecture video asidi aikoi gi India gi oina lairiwa agniveer hairiwa force asigi written test ki hangba yawa general knowledge ki question khara pudun lecture channel asina adom da kharadam oirabasu kanagani haina khanjai aduna channel asibu nungsibiduna support tobiyu. Question number 1. When is Martyrs Day celebrated? Karma matamda athobasingi thoram pangthokpage. A. The 15 January, B. The 25 January, C. The 30 January, D. The 26 January. Adubu masigi answer asi C. 30 January ni. Question number 2. Nasik is situated on the bank of which river? Nasik hai na khangna riba ariba sarasi karamba turengi mapanda laibage. Number A. The Godavari, number B. The Krishna, number C. The Narmada, number D. The Kaveri. Masigi answer asi number A. Godavari ni. Question number 3. Where is Mohenjo-daro located? Mohenjo-daro haina khangnariba ariba city asi kadai laibage? A. Pakistan, B. Punjab, C. Rajasthan, D. Gujarat. Masigi answer asi A. Pakistan ni. Question number 4. Where is India Gate located? India ki gate asi karai de laibage? A. Mumbai, B. Delhi, C. Kolkata, D. Goa. Masigi answer asi B ni Delhi de lai. Question number 5. Who founded the Vijayanagara Empire? Vijayanagara hairiba empire asi kanana linkhatikibage? A. Chandragupta, B. Shahjahan, C. Harihanbukka. Masigi answer asi C. Harihanbukka. Question number 6. Who is the authors of the book Rajata Rangini? Rajata Rangini hairiba lari asi kanana irambano? A. Rajendra Prasad, B. Amitabh Ghosh, C. Khan Bardai, D. Kalhan. Masigi answer asi D ni Kalhan ni. Question number 7. Where is Kaziranga National Park located? Kaziranga National Park asi karai de laibage? A. Assam, B. Nagaland, C. Madhya Pradesh, D. Uttarakhand. Masigi answer asi A. Assam ni. Question number 8. Which is called the city of garden? Karamba shaharbu laikon ni shahar ni haina khangna bage? A. Mumbai, B. Jammu, C. Bengaluru, D. Chennai. Masigi answer is C ni Bengaluru ni. Question number 9. Which river is called the Ganges the South? Karamba turenbu khagi Ganga tureni haina khangna bage? A. Krishna, B. Kaveri, C. Narmada, D. Godavari. Masigi answer is D ni Godavari ni. Question number 10. Which is the largest planet in the solar system? Aikogi solar system masida karamba grahana ichau chau bage? A. Venus, B. Mars, C. Jupiter, D. Saturn. Masigi answer is C ni Jupiter ni. Question number 11. Who founded the Maurya dynasty? Kanana Maurya dynasty si linkhatlam bano? A. Ashoka, B. Chandragupta, C. Bindusara, B. Bimbisara. Masigi answer is B ni Chandragupta ni. Question number 12. Where is Sher Shah tomb located? Sher Shah ki mongpham masi kadai de laibage? A. Lahore, B. Delhi, C. Ajmer, D. Sasaram. Masigi answer is D ni Sasaram ni. Question number 13. Who is the Supreme Commander of Indian Armed Force? Indian Armed Force ki Supreme Commander adu kanano? A. Speaker, B. Prime Minister, C. Vice President, D. President. Masigi answer is D ni President ni. Question number 14. Who known as Din Bandhu? Din Bandhu hairiga kanabu khangna bage? A. Lala Rajpat Rai, B. C.F. Andrew, C. Sardar Bhagat Singh, D. Mahatma Gandhi. Masigi answer is B ni C.F. Andrew ni. Question number 15. Who was the originator of Zionism? Zionism hairiba si kanadagi horakibano? A. Ashoka, B. Gautam Buddha, C. Mahavira Swami, D. Guru Nanak. Masigi answer si C ni Mahavira Swami ni. Video asi matang aswai de losinjarage. Aigi mathangi video da lehori ba saruk sing hapcharake ꯆꯦꯅꯦꯜ ꯑꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯕꯤꯗꯨꯅ ꯁꯄꯣꯔꯠ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯌꯨ